Before you buy any radiator stop leak, there's one thing no product page tells you: most of these only work on tiny leaks, and some can actually clog your heater core or water pump. But the ones that do asterisk work, they've saved people hundreds in mechanic bills. Let's cut through the noise and find the real fixes. Product number 1, AC Delco Sealing Tabs. First up, the AC Delco GM Original Equipment Sealing Tabs. This is a no-nonsense OEM part from a trusted automotive brand, priced under $7 for a pack of 5. If you're dealing with minor seepage around gaskets or seals and want something factory-approved, this is worth a serious look. These aluminum-based tabs are designed to seal small gaps in engine components like oil pans, manifolds, and covers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They're high viscosity and cure when exposed to air, meaning they harden into a durable seal without needing disassembly. That makes them perfect for quick fixes during reassembly, and you can fill with oil or coolant right after torquing bolts. They're also compatible with both oil and coolant systems, which adds versatility. Now, some people might complain that these aren't a standalone radiator leak solution, and they're right. These are meant for gasket sealing during repairs, not for pouring into a radiator to fix a leak from the inside. Here's the thing though, if you're already doing engine work and notice minor leaks, these tabs prevent future issues before they start. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer doing engine maintenance and want OEM-grade sealing. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick pour-in fix for an active radiator leak. At under $7, it's a smart preventative investment. Product number 2, Blue Devil Hydraulic Stop Leak. Now, if AC Delco's tabs are too limited in scope, this next one takes a completely different approach: the Blue Devil Hydraulic Stop Leak. Priced at $28.24, it's pricier, but it's built for hydraulic systems, not just radiators. If you've got leaks in hydraulic pumps, cylinders, or valves, especially in heavy equipment or older vehicles, this is worth a serious look. Blue Devil claims it restores dried, cracked rubber seals and creates a permanent seal, which is huge if your system is losing pressure or fluid. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It works by rejuvenating old seals instead of just blocking leaks, which means it can extend the life of expensive components. It's safe for all hydraulic fluids and doesn't require flushing, so you can add it directly. It's also concentrated. 32 Oz treats up to 32 quarts of fluid. Now, some people complained it didn't work on large external leaks or metal fractures. Here's the thing though, this isn't a weld or epoxy, it's a seal conditioner. It's best for internal seal degradation, not physical cracks. This is perfect for you if you're maintaining farm equipment, tractors, or older hydraulic systems with seal wear. Skip this one if you're dealing with a cracked radiator or hose burst. At $28, it's a solid value for targeted hydraulic repair. Product number 3, Bars Leaks Head Gasket Repair. Alright, that was a solid option for hydraulics. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious engine issues: the Bars Leaks HG1 Head Gasket Repair. Even though it has no price listed, it's one of the most purchased items here, with 800 plus bought recently. If you're facing a blown head gasket or coolant loss with no visible leak, this is worth a serious look. This isn't just a stop leak. It's designed to seal warped heads, cracked blocks, and intake gasket failures. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses carbon fiber reinforcement to bond to metal surfaces under heat and pressure, creating a permanent seal inside the combustion chamber and coolant passages. It's compatible with all antifreeze types, requires no flushing, and works in both gas and diesel engines. That makes it a lifesaver if you're driving an older vehicle and can't afford a $2,000 repair. Now, some people reported it didn't work on severely warped heads or engines that overheat constantly. Here's the thing though, this product works best when the engine can idle for 15 minutes without overheating. If your engine is already on death's door, no additive will save it. This is perfect for you if you've got coolant mixing with oil or white smoke but still have a running engine. Skip this one if your head is cracked beyond sealing. For the price and risk, it's one of the best values here. Product number 4, Vispella Radiator Repair 1 Tube. Now, if Bars Leaks is too aggressive for a simple radiator leak, this next one takes a gentler approach: the Vispella Radiator Stop Leak Sealer. At $10.26 for one tube, it's affordable and easy to use. If you've got a small leak in your radiator, heater core, or freeze plugs, this is worth a serious look. This silicone-based paste is poured directly into the radiator and claims to seal leaks while preventing rust and lubricating the water pump. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's safe for all metals, plastics, and hoses, so you don't have to worry about damaging your cooling system. It's also compatible with all antifreeze types, which means no draining or flushing. Now some people complained it didn't work on larger leaks or clogged the heater core. Here's the thing though, like most stop leaks, it's best for pinhole leaks, not gushing failures. And yes, silicone-based sealants can accumulate over time, so don't use it repeatedly. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with a slow coolant loss and want a cheap, easy fix. Skip this one if you've got a major crack or are using it as a long-term solution. At $10, it's a solid first attempt. Product number 5, Vispella Radiator Repair 24 tubes. Alright, that was a good budget option. But if you're managing a fleet, running a shop, or just want bulk savings, this next one is the same Vispella formula, but in a 24-pack for $29.52. That's about $1.23 per tube, a huge drop from the single-tube price. It has the same silicone-based formula, water-resistant design, and compatibility with all antifreeze types. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Buying in bulk means you always have a fix on hand, whether it's for your car, your kid's SUV, or a customer's truck. The water-resistant upgrade also means better durability in humid or high-heat environments. It still lubricates the water pump and prevents rust, just like the single tube. Now some people might worry about long-term buildup from multiple uses, and that's valid. Silicone sealants can accumulate in the system over time. Here's the thing though, if you're using it responsibly and not overtreating, it's a safe, cost-effective solution. This is perfect for you if you're a mechanic, RV owner, or managing multiple vehicles. Skip this one if you only need one repair and don't want leftover tubes. So which one should you pick? AC Delco is great for gasket sealing during repairs. Blue Devil excels in hydraulic systems. Bars Leaks is your best bet for head gasket issues. The single Vispella tube is perfect for one-off radiator leaks, while the 24-pack saves serious money for frequent use. Remember, none of these fix major cracks, but for small leaks, they're lifesavers. Pick the one that matches your problem, and you'll save time, money, and stress.